How to use Web OPAC. Open a browser. Type the URL. Then hit Enter. Click the name of the school. Click Catalog. Type either the title, author, subject, etc. related to the library material you want to find. Then click either Search by Keyword, Search by Title, Search by Author, Search by Subject, Search by Series. A list of materials will display. Click the title of the material you want to check. Click Copies to check for the availability of the material. Thank you for watching.